Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking. This is a new paper. Daisy, Daisy, just wait till you see the rest. Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I am showing you a wonderful new promotion that we're doing right now called Daisy, Daisy, and you can see why. So I purchased the bundle. So let me show you what the bundle is. The bundle comes with this stamp set that has these wonderful big daisies on it. And it has Life is Beautiful and You're Amazing. And then also there's a coordinating die cut that comes with, so you can make some wonderful three-dimensional daisies with this. The paper is gorgeous. Here is the star of the show. And it comes with this little black zip strip. And here is the flip side with yet even more daisies. So here is this, just look at how beautiful this is. It's got the little black accents that you don't think about, but look at how important they are to making the whole paper jump out. And you've got the combination of flamingo pink and ballerina pink with the white daisies. Just so beautiful. But look at these beautiful papers. Look at that tiny little pattern with those tiny little sweet daisies. How adorable. And then look at the zip strip that comes on this page. So I think that the greens and pink are just such a wonderful combination. You get this wonderful gingham. And then here's the next page. So you get these great stripes with the pink and the green standing out, a wonderful clover and evergreen zip strip, and then look at this gorgeous paper this is done in ballerina with this beautiful design. Look at that. Okay, this is just going to make such beautiful, beautiful pages and cards. So here is this wonderful little, it's not little, it's 12 by 12, but this is the sticker sheet. So you have happy life, sweet moments, together time. Look at this adorable bike. Oh, I love that. And really wonderful. And it has kind of a Celtic look to this zip strip, which is so fun. This is perfect for not Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day. So just wonderful, wonderful. And it's our super thick stickers, which you can't beat them. Now these are the papers. So the other thing, so you get the papers and the stickers, you get the thin cuts and the stamp set, and then with the bundle you get all of this cardstock. So here's the flamingo with its lighter hue. See, all of our cardstock has a lighter flip side. So we've got this, and then you've got, here is evergreen, which is such a beautiful dark green without being dull. And then the super light ballerina pink. Look how beautiful that is. And then you've got clover, which is the really bright green. And all those greens and pinks just look so beautiful together. But you put that with the daisy, and look at that. Look at just how beautiful that goes together. Or if you flip it over, how wonderful that is. So, and then of course you get 2 pieces of black and 2 pieces of white. So you're getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces of cardstock along with 6 pieces of the printed paper and the stickers, the stamp set and thin cuts for the bundle. So in addition to that, I purchased the die cut black flowers to coordinate with this set. So let me just show you. Let me pull out some of my white cardstock here. And these are die cuts. So they're very thick cardstock. And here are some of the flowers. So you have the outline flower and the solid flower. And you have a cute little tulip here and a whole bunch of smaller and larger daisies that are filled in and the outline. So I love those to coordinate with this paper. It's just absolutely perfect with the paper. But they also, we have another promotion called It's the Little Things. And these go perfectly with this daisy also. I mean, look, you've got this wonderful, whoops, got hooked up here. Well, it went here, but there's a title called The Good Life. And look at these butterflies. There's someplace in here, there's a daisy. Where'd my daisy go? He's in the bag. That's where he is. Woo. Come on, everybody out of the pool. Okay, so these are It's the Little Things die cuts, and look at these. These go perfectly with that die cut. I mean, it's just perfect. And these butterflies, I mean, they just couldn't be even more beautiful. But then you get also some nice words with this. My die cuts are falling out. It's called It's the Little Things, and Sunshine Bright with some bows. Anyway, these work really well with this paper set too. So I went ahead and got them. Just had to, you know. So anyway, I wanted to introduce you to this. It is available. You can order it now, I will say. It's available to order, but understand that it is on a what is it called? A pre-order basis. So you order it on dorothy.closetomyheart.com and pay for it, and then as soon as it comes into Close to My Heart, because they had to reorder already, this is how popular, it just came out February 1st, and they've already had to reorder it. So anyway, you can purchase it, and then as soon as it comes in, then you will receive it. So I just want you to know that life is beautiful. So thanks so much for watching, and you can just show how beautiful life is with this beautiful paper. Bye now.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.